Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on our dining, outdoor, and bathroom linen services and find it useful.
2. Initial inspection. Upon receipt, each fabric or garment undergoes a thorough initial inspection. This inspection identifies any specific issues such as stains, salt deposits, mildew, or wear and tear that need to be addressed. For uniforms and garments, special attention is given to maintaining the integrity and appearance of the materials. 3. Customer communication and estimate. Based on the initial inspection, a detailed estimate is prepared and provided to the yacht owner or designated shipside staff, such as the lead stewardess. This estimate includes a breakdown of the cleaning and restoration tasks that will be performed. Work begins only after the customer approves the estimate. 4. Customized cleaning and restoration. The fabrics and garments are then subjected to a customized cleaning process tailored to the specific needs of marine environments. This may involve salt and mildew removal, gentle yet effective cleaning agents, and restorative treatments to bring the fabrics back to their original condition. For uniforms and table linens, Sudsies ensures that all items are cleaned, pressed, and finished to the highest standards.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.